Okay, moving on to the US dollar Swiss franc now. As you know, basically since I joined the room, I've had nothing really setting up on this pair. As you can see, we've been in this sort of big range here from around the 1 point sort of 0800 to the 1.0400 basically, since I joined the room. The signal came before we had a nice sort of buy setup there on the daily chart. This is the sort of ideal setup you're looking for, and but yeah, nothing really since then. And I mean, this week's been fairly positive, but the close to the week wasn't the best. You can see this sort of TDST support, which possibly resistance. You know, support becomes resistance. You can see how we've bounced from that level quite a lot now, and we've done the same again this week. So although we're actually going to make a bullish thrust this week, which would then bring the 1.0602 level in as the support, we're actually probably going to close below the midpoint of the bar. So it's not exactly even a great sort of week. You can see there Friday's bar was quite a bearish reversal looking bar up there, and obviously we had that reaction in the euro, so this is where the US dollar Swiss francs weakened. So yeah, nothing really doing here. As I keep saying, we need to get away from this 1.0883 level resistance, or the 1.0497 support. We really need to get away from there. We're right in between it at the moment, and we're just about to close out the month, so it looks like we're going to be in between it again for the open of the next month. But yeah, we really just need to clean up here and start to make a move in some sort of direction. I mean, looking at the weekly chart, it looks more likely that we're going to go up. But looking at the daily chart, the only kind of scenario we have here, as I keep saying, is to come down and break this 304 level and bounce from around about the 179, come up and retest that 497 level, and head lower from there. As you know, I'm looking for a bounce in the Euro US dollar, and I'm hoping it's going to come soon. So that would also play in with a sort of a downward move on this US dollar Swiss franc. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, it's just what I'm kind of hoping is going to happen to sort out these charts and get things moving again. But yeah, so we'll just have to wait and see. So there's going to be no action here again for another week. So yeah, we'll just have to keep an eye on these levels. Okay, cheers.